Here we have a Kenwood DMX6523DABS. Now it's a double DIN touchscreen stereo, 6.8 inch screen, that's the size of the actual screen itself. We've installed it in the Citroen Relay camper van. So we've used the appropriate fascias and wiring harness for it to all work. So everything works with the steering wheel controls. So the customer, and then we can change like channels and what have you. So the customer's not actually losing any functionality from having the original radio. Now this is the original stereo. That's basically what that looks like. And now they've got something more modern. They already had reverse camera to it, so this stereo's got the capability to have a reverse camera installed into it. So we basically linked into the original one they had. It has a tiny little screen on top of the dash that gave them a small image of what's behind them. So they've asked us to integrate it into the stereo, which we had no problems doing, and that's basically given us the reverse image. Now this stereo also has Bluetooth audio, it has DAB radio, so digital radio, and it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now the nice thing about this unit itself, it has wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. So we could do connectivity wirelessly. So I'm going to just show you this. So what we need to do is connect up to it via Bluetooth first. So if we go into menu on the stereo, so if we go to telephone, and we're going to go into settings, and we're going to search. So searching for a new device. It's come up on the bottom here, click on it. See my phone, we want to pair, we want to allow, yes. So just go through the authorization procedure. We're going to connect up to Apple CarPlay. Just give it a few seconds and then it'll do its thing. And now it's all connected up to Apple CarPlay. And as you can see, it's really simple. There was nothing complicated about doing that at all. And now this gives us a full functionality of Apple CarPlay. It's completely wireless. You can see my phone is just there. The actual apps that works and authorized by Apple CarPlay that I have works on this. So I go into Spotify, play my music, what have you, all control it through this stereo. Go into Waze for mapping. On there you don't have to actually use your phone at all, but actually you don't use your phone at all, you just put your phone away, and if you're going to search for addresses, you search for addresses and just do it all on this Kenwood stereo, and it just all works very seamlessly. Now if you want to go back into radio, all you have to do is just go into home and then wherever you want to go into. So like I said, normal terrestrial radio, that's about there. Go back into menu, you want to go into digital radio, that's there, and then that just gives you, you go into search and you can search everything that's actually been found, and that's just all your digital digital radio. You still control the volume on there if you want, but like I said, it works on steering wheel controls as well. So there you have it. That's the Kenwood DMX6523DABS.